We're out here at the Burrum Heads boat ramp. It looks like a pretty nice day. I'm ready to go set some pots. We've actually brought Lily along with us today, so my girlfriend. Hopefully she can help. There's a bloke down at the boat ramp. Not to sound like a negative Nancy, but I don't know if you can see. He's got his car parked in the boat spot and he's throwing a cast net and he's seen that I'm waiting. Anyways, let's get into this. See you on the water. See a bloke on TikTok, always use prawns. How cool's the bait trap thing?
Yeah, I know. Did you make it?
Yeah. We just tried flicking some bait and lures around, but there's not much out here on the sounder anyway. So we're gonna head back a little bit shallower and give it a go. Hey!
Oh, that one.
Yeah, I had a bit of a mishap. I forgot to film. I should have filmed it, but I blew up a wheel bearing on my way home from Burrum. So I just replaced it with a brand new one. Anyways, I've got the boat packed now. It's about midday, so it's hot, it's cooking. But yeah, I'm gonna back the trailer on, back the boat up. What the fuck am I saying? I'm gonna back the car up onto the boat and send it to Burrum, go get the pots. Fingers crossed they've got some crabs. Thing is with this car, it's fun and all, but when you go to put a boat on, you get bloody high off the fumes. It's right next to your head, just going wop 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 wop. She's a bit windy, but it'll be fun. It'll be a mission to get the pots. I have to get them, so let's hope there's some crabs. I'm gonna wait for this guy at the boat ramp. Pretty stupid. I'm getting soaked. Keep trotting along. I'm gonna put a life jacket on. If you guys can even hear me. Sorry I didn't film that. That was fucking hectic. So there's like real bad waves out here, and we've got the crab pot rope stuck under the motor. Please be crabs. We're on. They're in the deeper water, boys. Yes. Look at that. Look at that big fella. Another big fella. There's one more big fella. That's it. Fuck yeah. Some big males in here. Let's go. There's definitely some small ones in here, but there's some big fucking brutes as well. So we're definitely having a feed tonight. Let's go! I'm keen. really cool. We've got a female with eggs. Yeah. I'm gonna set her free. I'm gonna start heading home because it's getting pretty rough out here now. It's sort of like a little bit dangerous. But anyways, I'm gonna head in now. I'll see you at home with a catch and cook. Like, we didn't get many, but it was worth going out there. When I taste these, it will definitely be worth it. So
Someone just said my name, I swear.
Woo! So everything was going all good until I got home and had to chuck the old phone in some rice. Turns out these crabs are quite expensive, but we're gonna get them on the cook.